Welcome, so today I am with Realme 9 Pro and I want to show you few camera tips. So the first, if you want to change color and the temperature on your photos, you don't have to need to open the Pro mode. You can tap right here and use the presets of the filters. If you want to use this one, for example, just tap on the shutter. And as you can see, the photo was taken with the different colors and the temperature. To get the original back, tap on this icon and slide to the original. It also works in the video mode. They are a little bit different, but they also change the temperature and the colors. Okay, we can also change brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving the sun icon. We can decrease or increase brightness level in the photo and the video mode. If you want to get automatic brightness, just tap on the screen once. To add delay to your shutter, you have to tap right here and pick 3 or 10 seconds. So it's useful when you are taking photos on the tripod. As you can see, it's working. To use the zoom feature of this phone, you can tap right here, but also we can expand this menu with the slider, and right now we can zoom to the 6 times. It works definitely better than pinching screen like that with your 2 fingers. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, and we can also go for the settings, where we can find the camera watermark. So if you enable this option, you are able to set date and the time and the device model, and also add your custom text. So if you take photo, you will get the exact date and the time on it. So take a look. Let me just switch to the normal lens. And right now in this place we can find the mark that photo was taken on the Realme 9 Pro 5G with the exact date and the time. So yeah, that's all. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.